Hello guys, Roshan864 here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and testing the Skullcandy Crusher wireless headphones. So let's get to it. These headphones, I got them for £75 on a Black Friday deal. Then they used to be about 200 when they came out. And as we can see here, we've got Bluetooth technology, 40 hours of battery life, rapid charge, so meaning 10 minutes of charging equals 3 hours of listening time, and adjustable sensory bass. So apparently the bass is meant to be very strong on here, and there's a little control where you can change it. Here's some more information. Listen up to 33 feet away using Bluetooth. All this information you can read. It says what's included. So you can use it wired as well. So let's open this up. Just zoom out a little bit. And remove the packaging, this plastic film. Seems like a nice box, written Skullcandy all along there, and their little logo there. So let's see, how do we open this? Okay, so it's magnetic here. Feels nice. So yeah, so you lift it up from the right, pull it open. Here's some of the controls I see. So here you've got your headphones and this little bag, nice quality bag. Oh wow, it's really soft inside. And we pull out the headphones. Nice, feel nice in the hand, good materials I'd say. Here's your little bass control. There's your micro USB slot and your aux cord slot if you want to plug in. So these are over the ear headphones, I think. How do you open these up? Oh, they slide up. Other side as well, yeah. So let's check what else we get in the box. We open this. How do you open this front side? In here you've got your aux cable. It doesn't seem that thick or like any high quality, but there's your cable. It's weird, black on one side and then this two coloured. It's like a really light blue and a red. It's like a magnet, think about it. Then here's your charge cable, only micro USB. We got your 2-year global warranty. What's in this little box? Open this up. You've got your quick start guide. Nice. So let's power these on. One thing to mention before I do test them, this is soft touch material here. It feels like the same on some of the Beats headphones, and it also smells the same if you do smell your headphones. But yeah, so now we'll try these out and see how they sound. So I've just been testing these for the last few minutes or whatever, and I haven't been testing them for that long, but they sound absolutely amazing. So with the bass control all the way down, they sound like some normal, I would say about $70 headphones or £70 headphones with that kind of bass. But then you've got the control and you can turn it up and you can actually feel the bass so much. The headphones actually shake, and it shakes your head as well. It isn't the loudest headphones, but when you reach the max volume, it doesn't start distorting or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend these, especially for £75. They're a great set of headphones. Even for £200 I'd happily pay for them. They're great battery life, I would say, for 40 hours. That'd be really good. Even with this kind of bass, maybe if you put the bass on full, you'd still get at least 30 hours hopefully, which is quite good and more than any other headphone, I'd say. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. Thank you for watching. Please check out all my other videos. Thanks. Bye.